Hi, it's Franco Yuchi, and I'm going to be speaking to you about modernizing applications with Oracle Cloud infrastructure from ERP Cloud to e-business suite. Now, Oracle Cloud infrastructure offers you the easiest and fastest path with immediate benefits. Now, to help me show that, let's talk about OCI Gen 2 Cloud. At the heart of this cloud is the Oracle Cloud tooling, which includes infrastructure with compute, storage, and networking, through to capabilities such as the high-performance compute, as well as the flavor of autonomous Linux. From a platform perspective, we include Oracle's strong data management capabilities from Exadata through also to capabilities such as the autonomous database. We've also got cloud-based tooling such as integration and a variety of app dev capabilities that include both a code-driven and a low-code approach. Across all of that, you also have a need for analytics capabilities, and Oracle provides also a variety of choices there, from data lakes through to the ability to have your own data science environment, giving you many choices on how you can use artificial intelligence and machine learning. In effect, I've just described the DNA, the pedigree of how Oracle develops its applications, including its own heritage apps, such as JDE, PeopleSoft, eBiz. And it's with this sort of tooling, we've been able to maintain an evergreen approach to keeping those applications current. Also giving you the choice on how you can deploy these applications into the public cloud. Alongside these heritage apps, Oracle's used this tooling for its current SaaS-based applications as well. Now, these SaaS-based applications, known as Fusion Cloud apps, include enterprise resource planning, supply chain and manufacturing, human capital management, right through to industry applications around comms, construction engineering, life sciences, retails, and utilities. But it's not just these Fusion future apps. Let's go back to the heritage apps such as Hyperion, Siebel, PeopleSoft, JDE, and e-business suite. What's possible with Oracle Cloud infrastructure with something like e-business suite? What's possible is that you can actually take what you've got running on-premise on some, let's say, reasonably old software hardware configuration, and you can take that e-business application and move it to the Oracle public cloud. And the sort of benefits that you can look for are the following here on the right. In terms of cost benefits, being able to have a 38% lower TCO, being able to reduce your CapEx because you're eliminating hardware. It also then means you can start to take advantage of what happens in the cloud, giving you that cloud flexibility, increased performance, and much faster reporting. You're also getting that strengthened approach to what you could be doing from a high availability perspective. You're able to refresh your technology because it's cloud-based, and also things like proactive monitoring and being able to scale up for those bursts at month end. And then we've also got the respective security capability that Oracle provides because of the Oracle experience. We take that responsibility. So how would you get started? How would you become informed about this sort of journey? Well, Oracle provides a number of places for you to start taking those steps to become aware of what's possible. Oracle's got an architecture center to actually show you what's possible with e-business suite. There's over 15 different approaches you can take with something like e-business suite, whether it's around improving your security, whether it's around just doing dev and test, or just looking at having something like a data warehouse. And we've got a variety of patterns you can look at here. And then we've also got what we call live labs, which gives you access to experience Oracle's technology in a very fast, simple manner. Now, not everyone's going to be looking at, hey, how do I deploy e-business suite for dev, test, and prod, what else can you do with Oracle Cloud infrastructure around your e-business application? You may actually just want to do dev and test only in the cloud. You may just want to keep it running where it is, but look at backups and disaster recovery on OCI. You may want to keep it where it is, but use Oracle's cloud integration capability to actually improve how your e-business suite may be working with other applications, whether they're on-prem or in the cloud. You may be trying to implement an API strategy to start to actually set to work what a digital platform may do for your business. You may want to start to investigate and test different emerging tech capabilities around blockchain or IoT. You may want to look at digital assistant capabilities to automate how you go in and out of e-business suite. You may also want to look at different innovation initiatives using our low-code platform. Or you may just want to start doing some analytics against your e-business suite and looking at how to make that very rapid, highly iterative, and getting that fast return. And the benefits of looking at something like Oracle Analytics is you're able to take advantage of our autonomous database. You're also taking advantage of Oracle Analytics Cloud. Both those capabilities are effectively very easy to provision and start to experience to get that fast return on investment. So what I've just briefly gone through is started to explain why Oracle Cloud infrastructure is starting to become a very low risk way to actually starting to get that productivity, especially around what you may be doing with your enterprise applications. Oracle provides a variety of services and tools, whether you want to support that further connecting, further extension of what's happening in your app, or whether you want to build a brand new cloud native application. We provide those autonomous services. So it's about that fast start and that fast return. And we're not suggesting everything has to be totally public cloud exclusive. Oracle provides that support so you can coexist. You can actually embrace what you're doing on-prem and use the cloud for what it's good for, knowing things like security and price performance are part of the Oracle journey in the cloud. So thank you very much for listening to me talking about modernizing applications with Oracle Cloud infrastructure.